I got here, but I'm blessed. Didn't know it'd take me past my destiny. You're behind me with the rest.
Hi guys, it's DD Hair here. If you're new to the channel and want to see wig reviews, then click that subscribe button down below. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Alright guys, let's get into the wig you've just seen in the thumbnail. It's by Sensational. It's part of their Buttalace collection. I'll link the playlist at the end above. It's got virtually HD lace, which is supposed to be undetectable. I have it in the style Beach Wave 20, and the colour I have it in is T1B Golden Blonde. That's the wig. So that's the wig. Okay, so it has a comb on the right, comb on the left, comb in the back, and the adjustable strap. It is a centre part, but I'm going to shift it. Let me just give you some views before I do. I'm getting some shedding, but that's because I cut the baby hairs off. Okay, so there she is in the front. In the right. In the back. And there it is in the left. This colour's really, really pretty. The waves are really, really nice on this. Pretty, and I'm getting no tangling whatsoever. I am getting shedding, but like I said, I did cut the baby hairs off, so it does tend to shed after that a lot more than normal. Yeah, it's so pretty, beautiful. Those waves, they are. I love it. Definitely recommend this one. Let's move on. I'm really chuffed because I've done, how many have I done? I've done 9 so far, and all 9 have been hit. I've got 3 more to go. fingers crossed. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. I truly appreciate it. Don't forget to hit like and comment on this video, and all the links you need to know are down below, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.
I'm a mess. Don't know how I got here, but I'm blessed. Didn't know it'd take me past my destiny. You're behind me with the rest, 'cause I'm a mess.